Jio has recently launched Jio TV Camera with built-in microphone that connects to Jio Set Top Box and may be used for video conferencing over a TV. After connecting it to my Jio Set Top Box, I tried using it with the app Geo Video Call. However, the app is buggy and does not work. Then I tried it with the app Jio Call, which works well for video calling the numbers of other Jio users who have Jio 4G installed in their phones or Jio Call installed in their set-top boxes. As you may guess, such users are very limited and there isn't any other video conferencing app like Zoom or Skype in the Jio App Store, thereby limiting the use cases of this camera. Hence I tried connecting the camera directly with my Android TV. There is a default camera app that comes with all Android TVs, and to my surprise the Jio TV camera is detected and works well with the app in the TV. However, again, I could not find any popular video conferencing app in the Google patch wall. Hence I tried using the camera directly with my PC. Guess what? It is detected and installed as soon as I plug it in. So there isn't anything special about the Jio TV camera. It is just an ordinary webcam that has a really wide clip, which means any webcam may be connected with the Jio set-top box. Generally, webcams are designed for slim monitors and could not be placed over screens as wide as the TV, while this camera has an innovative clip which doesn't use springs and hence may be used on a very thick as well as very thin screen. But what about its quality? Let's test it. So right now I'm using Jio camera to record myself on a PC. So this is how it looks and this is how it sounds. The camera may also be adjusted to a different angle depending on the height of your TV, and it comes with a lens cap to keep the camera dust free and your room spy free. To summarize, for the price it is a good webcam microphone combo. However, if you already own a webcam, you may not need it, or if your budget allows more expensive, better quality webcams, then the one from Logitech or so might prove to be a better alternative. Thank you.